Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We put s on numerator and denominator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2s ds. S to the power of 4, that is about s squared to the power of 2. Similar for this one. So we put u going here and here. 2s ds we change by du. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2 secant of t. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to 2 secant of t tan t dt. The reason I need to put this one, because if we put this one going here, you got about 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, you got about tan t square. And later that we simplify the square root and du. So we put this one going here and here. Du we change by this one. So this one you got about 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. This one you got about tan t square. This is about trigonometric identity. So this one you got about 2 tan t. Now we need to simplify 2 tan t on numerator and denominator. This one you got about 4 secant of t square. Secant of t, we can simplify. And this one you got about cosine t over number 4. The integration of cosine t, you got about sine t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And you got about t equal to arcsecant of u over 2. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that's e about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.